Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we're doing a very easy one, and it's a pattern or a stitch that you can use for many projects. It looks pretty, but it is very simple. It's similar to single crochet and half double, but we're using here slip stitch and half double crochet all throughout this pattern. So if you wanna see how it looks like, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. So here I'm starting with a magic loop, and I'm using 6.5 millimeter hook and a thick yarn. It's a medium 4 from Red Heart again. So I'm gonna chain 20 only for the demonstration. For any of your projects, you may use the given number of whichever project you're doing. So now this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got my 20 chains here. Okay, so in the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make a slip stitch, which is insert my hook, pull through one loop, pull through the second loop. Okay, might be challenging at first, but it gets easy. So this is a slip stitch. On the next chain, I'm gonna do half double crochet. Okay, we need to take our time. So pull through all three. In the next loop, I'm gonna make again a slip stitch, and on the next one, half double crochet. So I'm gonna do this till the end of this row. So I'm gonna alternate between a slip stitch and a half double crochet. So slip stitch here and half double. So for any beginners, if you want to know slowly how to make a slip stitch, half double crochet and all, you'll find in the description box the playlist for the crochet basics, where you can learn all the basics from there. Or you can just follow this video. Okay, so this is half double crochet, and my last stitch will be a slip stitch again. So basically, when you start with a slip stitch, you finish your row with a slip stitch as well. So I started here with a slip stitch, and now I finished with a slip stitch. So now on my next row I'm gonna start with half double crochet and I will finish with a half double crochet. So first I'll chain one and turn my work. Now in this first stitch I'll make half double crochet. Your stitches might be a little tight, so again we need to be patient and slowly work our stitches. The next one will be a slip stitch, just the same what we did. Half double. So if you get confused, what you need to follow the V stitches. So one by one, one half double, one slip stitch, one half double, one slip stitch. Easy. Okay, it's a bit tight. Okay, slip stitch. It's a very pretty pattern if you want again to do something easy and quick. We'll remember to make our stitches a bit loose, not too much, a bit, so we can insert our hook easily. Slip stitch again. Here. We'll repeat this again. Half double, slip stitch. So we know we're going the right way. So the last one is, as we said, half double. Okay, again I need to go through both loops. Right. Okay. It is not easy when it's a slip stitch. Oh no. Well, I'm gonna do it, don't worry. So yarn over, insert into the first loop, okay, and into the cell. Yeah, we did it. And work, oops, not yet, work my half double. No way. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, very good. And work my half double. Very good. So this is the second row. You can see how pretty already it looks. So the next row again we'll repeat chain 1 and now it's gonna be a slip stitch, half double, and a slip stitch. So we alternate rows, starting one with a slip stitch, the next one with a half double crochet, and so on until the end of your project. So my first stitch is this one. Okay, so a slip stitch. Oops. Okay. Done. And the next one, as we said, we follow the V's, is a half double. Okay, so that's how it is. So now when we started with the slip stitch, we will end the row with another slip stitch. Okay, so this is basically what you need to work till the end of your project. Nothing difficult. The only thing we need to remember that to leave the stitches a little bit loose, so when we work the stitches with a hook, they're not rigid or very tight and easy to handle. So I hope you like this tutorial and find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestion for any video, let me know in the comment box as well. Don't forget to check the description box for more information or any questions you have. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.